Assalamu alaikum. I am Mominul. I am an English teacher of Israeli Ahmed High School, Shorishabari Zamanpur. Dear my students, I hope you are well by the grace of Allah, and I am also that. You requested me to take today's class on structure sentence. You know, according to the meaning, 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. And according to the structure, 3 kinds of sentence: simple, complex, and compound. Dear my students, before learning structured sentence, you have to know about the clauses. Without learning clauses, it is impossible for us to know about the structured sentence. So, today's our topic: structured sentence. Structured sentence. Now, I am going to make you understand about the clauses. The definition: a clause is a group of words that contains both subject and predicate. Here should be mentioned that finite verb is given in the part of predicate, such as I bought a pen which was very nice. Here, which was very nice. Group of words. Group of words. In the group of words, which was as a subject. As a subject. Was very nice. Was very nice. Predicate. Predicate. In the part of predicate, was finite verb. Was finite verb. Dear my students, if we analyze the definition of clause, we find 3 things. 1. Group of words, predicate. In the predicate, finite verb is given. Can you understand about the definition of a clause? Now, we are going to complete what are the types of clauses. We know that 3 types of clauses. Number 1, principal clause. Principal clause. Subordinate clause. Subordinate clause and coordinate clause. And coordinate clause. Coordinate clause. Look, principal clause, subordinate clause, coordinate clause. 3 types of clauses. Now, we are going to know about principal clause. Principal clause alone express its meaning. It does not depend on other clauses to express its meaning. That is, it can complete its meaning without the help of other clauses. So it is called principal clause. We notice the previous example. I bought a pen which was very nice. Here I bought a pen. I bought a pen. It does not depend on this clause because it only expresses its meaning without the help of which was very nice this clause. So I bought a pen is a principal clause. Can you understand? Also, here should be mentioned in the principal clause, finite verb, subject and finite verb will be given in the principal clause. Now, we are going to complete subordinate clause. Subordinate clause means it always depends on the principal clause to express its meaning. It does not express its meaning or it does not complete its meaning without the help of principal clause. Okay? We notice I bought a pen which was very nice. Which was very nice here. Which was as a subject was is a finite verb. Which was very nice. Group of words is a subordinate clause because which was very nice depend on I bought a pen. Can you understand? Subordinate clause. Now we are going to complete coordinate clause. Coordinate clause actually two or more principal clauses or subordinate clauses join with the coordinating conjunction is called coordinate clause. Repeat, when two or more principal clause or subordinate clause join with the using of coordinating conjunction is called coordinate clause. We came to understand the definition of coordinate clause. In the clause, two or more principal clause may be used or two or more subordinate clauses may be used, such as Rina is singing and we are listening to her. Here, Rina is singing is a principal clause because it does not depend on this clause. We are listening to her is another principal clause. Using coordinating conjunction and. So, it is a coordinate clause because it has two principal clauses or two independent clauses are used in the coordinate clause. Here should be mentioned two subordinate clauses may be mentioned in the coordinate clause, such as I can lend you money if I have a lot of money, or I can borrow from someone. Here my students, write down. I can lend you money if I have a lot of money, or I can borrow from someone. Here, if I have a lot of money is a subordinate clause. Is a subordinate clause because it does not express its meaning alone. It always depends on the principal clause. If I can borrow from someone. Notice, I can lend you money if I have a lot of money, or if I can borrow from someone. If I can borrow from someone also is a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Dear my student, we came to understand from the example in the coordinate clause, two or more subordinate clauses may be used. Here, if I have a lot of money is a subordinate clause. Another, if I can borrow from some money, also it is a subordinate clause. Joining conjunction or is a subordinate conjunction. So it is a subordinate clause. Can you understand? Dear my students, today I finish here. Next class I will start from that. Thank you very much.